Yes, what's up traders, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today I'm going to do a quick update on GBP USD, what price is doing and what matters next. So without wasting any time, let's get to the video.
There we go. So as you can see guys, I'm already on weekly. So for me, I use only 6 time frame, which is weekly, daily, 4 hours, 15 minutes, 5 minutes till I get out to 1 minute where I execute my trades. But currently I'm not on weekly. What am I expecting on weekly? As you can see on weekly, we took out what that high, then we made what a BOS up, as you can see where I just wrote BAS, then down we made what a change of character. So if let's say whenever we made a change of character, my market it has to breathe. By breathing, I mean it has to what to retest, and to retest we have what a supply zone where I just put what that triangle there. It's a supply zone where we're expecting market to retest to, then it what it will continue down. So we're just expecting something like this market to get what to that supply zone and continue what selling. Simple guys. So that's what I'm expecting on that on weekly. So now I'm gonna go what to daily and see what daily is telling us. You understand? Simple guys. So let me just take out my drawings and go to daily. So on daily, what do you see on daily? So let me just analyze real quick on daily. So here we took out what this lower point, and this thing guys is simple guys. Then here we managed to take out this high point, and it's an inside bar. By inside bars, I already tell you guys that I use them as what my inside bars, I use them as zones guys. So here we have what a demand zone down here. So here I'm gonna write what change of character, ch means change of character. Then here I have what a break of structure up here. Sorry. So B, let me just say B. B means what? Break of structure, guys. Then here I have a supply zone up here. Simple, guys. You understand? So on weekly, like what I said, on weekly we are bearish, but in market it's retesting. But retesting is what it's bullish. Then here on daily, that retest we saw on what on weekly, here on daily, it's what it's bullish. But in just understand, listen to this one, guys. Here. On weekly we are bearish, right? But on daily we are bullish. It mustn't confuse you. Because if you are bullish on weekly, on daily 4 hours, 50 minutes, basically it's gonna change. So here, as you can see, we are bullish or not on daily. So what do we expect here? As you can see, like what I said recently, I say on weekly market it has to retest what to that supply zone. So we are bullish. Then here on daily market it will read out, change character, break of structure. So we just look what for bullish again. So I'm just gonna look for something like this. Market maybe it can retest a little bit here, halfway, 50%, or to this demand down here, then it will target at this supply zone. If we get to this supply zone, then we sell. Simple guys here, because here I have a good demand zone down here. So let me just mark it like this, as you can see here. So that's what I'm expecting again. But we are still bullish. Market again, it can give me something like this here. So once I took my path here, it can tap here, then it will sell again. Simple. So once it sells, we target what this low again. Simple, you understand? So for now, we can just look for buys to that supply zone. Once you get to that supply zone, we look for sales. Simple, guys. So I'm gonna take out all my things, and now we're going on to 4 hours. We have to make it quick, guys. Then, and it mustn't confuse you. This strategy is the simple one, guys, and I'm just gonna give it for free. So on here on 4 hours, what are we expecting here? So let me just analyze it real quick again. My triangle two. Yeah, so here we have a good supply zone with IFC, something like this. Then where again can I get? And it's very straightforward, guys. Yeah. So we take out that high point here. Simple. So let me see if I have another. Yeah, we have another supply zone here. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, guys. So here it's what? It's a BOS. Let me just say B, guys. Break structure. You understand, right? And yeah, that's why we made what a flip here down here. Now we're on 4 hours, guys, right? So here we say we made what a flip here, something like this. Yeah, simple. So let me just take you a little bit back. On weekly, we are bearish, right? We are bearish, but we are retesting. Our retest, we are expecting them to get us what to that supply zone. Okay, cool. We are bullish on weekly. Then or not on daily market, it already change of character and break structure. So now we are still what? We are still bullish, but the market it can give us a little bit retest to that demand zone where I mark on what on daily. Once you get to that demand zone, or maybe 50%, then you can continue to buy. Then here on 4 hours, currently we are reacting on what sorry, on this supply zone here. As you can see, we take that supply zone, then market it just give us what a retest a bit. But in market, it still have many chances to give us something like this because many people that are selling here, I'm pretty sure they are selling. They just want to sell market to try to get out this low point here. So let me just take a horizontal array. So many people that are selling, you understand? Because let me tell you a trick here. On 4 hours here, many people that are selling, why? Because they are saying that oh, market is selling, we are rating or not on supply zone. But in what they don't know, they never check what weekly and what in 4 hours. Because basically market can give us something like this. It will sweep all the liquid up here, something like this. You sweep, it take what this this supply zone, then you give us something like this, Asian character down, then we sell. You understand, guys? Yeah? Simple. That's what market is gonna do here. Basically, I'm 100% sure guys that market is gonna do something like because here this high point here is gonna be used as what? Sorry, here it's just gonna be used as liquid or inducement. You understand? So something like this. That's what I'm expecting, guys. Market it will just sweep all those sellers and goes to what to that supply zone. Then we continue to sell. Same guys. So just be aware, guys, and be careful, guys, for something like this. So now we're expecting market to give us something like this. So in my part, something to break this high point, retest, boom, then we continue to sell. Simple, understand? So the great thing about this market is, guys, you just have to start from weekly, from higher time frame. As long because me, I'm a scalper too, but then you can see me on weekly, daily, 4 hours. What am I doing there? I'm just looking for the higher time frame so that I can have a clear direction. Understand? So as you can see in market, you can see it's forming small candles here. That means you're just gonna sweep everything, then it continue to sell. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna take out all these things. So I'm just gonna leave it like this, and now we're on 15 minutes. What's happening on 15 minutes? So I'm gonna analyze real quick here on 15 minutes, guys. Yeah. So let's see. Simple, guys. You just have to have a strategy and follow a strategy, guys. So here's something like this. We took out the low point, then we took out the high point, then here market it's rating currently or not on this supply zone. Oh, and this price action, guys, is beautiful, guys. Something like this. So I understand, guys. So here we can just choke up. Then here we have another what? A good. Oh wow! Look how beautiful it is, guys. We have a good supply zone again. Yeah. As you can see, it is what. So let me just take my here. We have put an X here. It's what? It's a fair value gap. Web market it has to. It's like a magnet, guys. Market is just gonna go up there and continue to sell, basically, something like that. So I want to show you something again. So if I can take out this supply zone here, we have what? We have double tops. By double tops, if I can take my line, I mark it like this, something like this. So let me just put a dollar sign there. Then I want to show you something that I'm seeing here. What do you see, guys? It's liquid, basically. You understand? So here, now I'm looking for something like this here. Market, if I can, for now, I'm not on 50 minutes. So now I'm just gonna go to 5 minutes. 5 minutes is only for refinement. I'm gonna refine my zones because they're too big. So I'm just gonna refine them to one. It becomes small. Then I'll go to 1 minute. So or let me just refine them first here, so that you see what I'm doing with all my time frame. Because here, if I can refine, you can see here we have a good demand zone, something like this. Yeah. Wow, look how beautiful it is, guys. A good demand zone, a clean one, guys. Yeah, so here again, I think refine this one as well, something small like this. Yeah, so as you can see, we start from what, weekly, daily, 4 hours, 15 minutes. Now we're on 5 minutes. 5 minutes is for refinements only. So once I refine, I go backward to 15 minutes like this. Something like this. And this one is a quick update, guys. That's why I'm talking real fast so that I'll just be done. Hope you understand everything. Yeah, something like this, guys. As you can see. So what am I expecting here? I want price. So as you can see, currently we're not on 15 minutes. So I'll go on 1 minute. On 1 minute, what am I expecting? I'll wait for market to give me something like this. Boom, then it will tap what? The demand zone, change character up, retest, then boom, we target what? This high point here. Simple, guys. Look how beautiful it is, guys. So let me just do. So I'm gonna mark it like this. So yeah, it's gonna be what? Change of character. CH means change of character. Then basically I can have my rectangle to. Oh, look how beautiful it will be like. It won't come exactly like how I'm marking things, but it's just a sketch of what I'll be looking at on what on one. Then yeah, I can put my lower point here. Then I'll take it 1:what? It's gonna be 1:3 here. Simple. You see, guys, what I'm expecting. Because, like, if let's say I take you way back, on weekly, we are bearish, but then we are retesting. Us, we are there to just to follow the market. Our retest, we're just gonna follow that retest, but then we are bearish. I mean, on weekly, but then that bearish on all other time frame is bullish. I hope you understand. So we just followed that retest. Then on daily, I already tell you that on daily is what. So let me just go on daily and show you real quick. On daily, as you can see, we already made what, a flip and a BOS. That means what, we are bullish. You understand? Then on 4 hours, what's happening? On 4 hours, we what, we made what, a flip. So this one is a what? It's a P. We made what? We made a flip and the break of what? In the break of structure. Then we are rating what? On supply zone. But in 99% of that supply zone, it's weak, guys. We're just gonna what? Gonna flip it. We go to the next supply because this one is just a liquid and the inducement. You understand? Then here on 15 minutes, what am I expecting? Because already weekly and daily they told me that I'm bullish. So here I'm just gonna wait for market to come here, give me a change of character, then boom, I'll take it out. Sorry, the next supply zone or not on 1 minute. Simple. I hope you understand, guys. Then just be careful with markets. Then yeah, guys. Peace out.